Colin from Livernois Motorsports. Today we're going to be installing a thermostat in our Focus RS. It should work in all Focus STs, RSs, pretty much anything with a 2-liter or 2.3 EcoBoost. So let's get started.
The first thing you need to do is drain the coolant. Warning, do not do this hot. Remove the coolant cap. Remove the lower cover using T27 torque bits and 4 clips. Twist white petcock. Then drain all of the coolant. Nothing actually needs to be removed for access to the thermostat. Remove the 2 hose clamps. Then, pull off the hoses from the housing. Remove 3 8mm bolts from the housing. Then, remove the housing from the engine. Now, reinstall the new housing. It's a complete drop-in for simple installation. Install and tighten the 3 bolts. Now, put the 2 hoses and the clamps back on. Fill back up with coolant and remember to burp the system.